Hello, everyone. In the past few years during therapy sessions, I've observed a common and significant issue my clients face, particularly revolving around the varying dynamics of relationships after marriage. As you all know, I am a specialist in mental health, a sex therapist, and a relationship counselor. Today, we will be discussing the intensifying tendencies of extramarital relationships, commonly termed as infidelity, and the impact it has on our society. It's more than just a word, it's a complex issue that requires understanding and proactive steps to address. Join me on this insightful journey as we explore practical strategies to strengthen our relationships and navigate the challenges of infidelity. Specifically, we'll be discussing why men are often more likely to engage in extramarital relationships. Unfortunately, for centuries, it's often said that infidelity has been closely associated with men only. Let's today comprehend the circumstances that lead to undesirable affairs. Why do people stray outside their relationships? It could be due to various factors like dissatisfaction, unmet needs, or associating with individuals who encourage such behavior. Let's start by understanding what drives people towards infidelity. Imagine David and Emily, a couple deeply in love but struggling with communication issues. David finds solace in a coworker, leading to emotional infidelity. This example highlights how unaddressed emotional needs can pave the way for infidelity. Now let's delve into the root causes of infidelity. It could stem from a lack of emotional connection, unresolved conflicts, or unrealistic expectations. Consider David and Emily, whose busy schedules led to neglecting their relationship. Seeking emotional support outside their marriage seemed like an easy fix, but it only exacerbated their issues. This acceptance significantly contributes to men engaging in extramarital relationships. It's this behavior that has brought us to a stage where I feel compelled to discuss, why do extramarital affairs happen? We often see that women become excellent wives, great mothers, and manage the household well. They excel professionally, but when it comes to building intimate relationships, there is often a momentous rigidity observed among women. This rigidity means that women may view sexual activity and marital intimacy primarily as a duty rather than a mutual need. In many cultures, due to a lack of proper edification for both genders regarding management of affiliations and associations on social and personal levels, intimate relations are often perceived as a need solely for men. Women might feel that they do not have the same need, which leads to a negative association with intimacy. As a result, they may not appreciate or enjoy their husband's approach to intimacy, treating it more as a responsibility rather than a partnership where both bodies and emotional connections are equally important. In some cases, women often feel that intimacy can only be started by their husbands. Unfortunately, there is a significant rigidity among women when it comes to initiating and enjoying this aspect of participation. Women here seldom initiate intimacy with their husbands or express their needs and desires. Usually, it is the men who extend the invitation. After conducting so many therapy sessions for couples undergoing stressed marital terms, the conclusion appears to me is this rigidity and adverse behavior of females towards intimacy that push men towards extramarital relationships. When men repeatedly face rejection or undesirable responses, they are more likely to seek fulfillment outside the marriage. Many clients report that their wives are wonderful partners and excellent mothers, but become uncooperative when it comes to intimacy. This lack of positive engagement drives men to look elsewhere. Another factor encountered during the course of my therapies explains, some people have a personality trait that makes it difficult for them to stay loyal to one woman, leading to a tendency for multiple partners. Infidelity is commonly found in such individuals, and even after marriage, they often engage in numerous extramarital relationships. An additional imperative reason for infidelity is the increasing exposure to pornography. Men, in particular, are more exposed to pornographic content compared to women. This exposure leads them to want to practice what they've seen with their partners. However, when their partners are not willing or comfortable with such practices, and when their partners do not respond or engage actively in sexual activity, it can lead to frustration. In some cases, women may play the role of a dummy, not actively participating and merely serving as an object of pleasure for men. This lack of response or engagement can decrease interest in intimate relationships with spouses, leading individuals to seek satisfaction outside of marriage, seeking easy gratification elsewhere. Therefore, remember to communicate openly, prioritize your partner's needs, and prioritize nurturing your relationship. How can we tackle infidelity head-on? One practical solution is open communication. Take inspiration from Russell and Camila, who faced trust issues due to past infidelity. Through honest conversations and couples therapy, they rebuilt trust and strengthened their bond. Building a resilient relationship requires effort and dedication. Let's explore practical steps like setting boundaries, fostering trust, and prioritizing quality time together while learning the importance of mutual respect and transparent communication. Thank you for joining me on this interactive journey. I hope you found valuable insights and practical tips to enrich your relationships, and today's video will help you do a self-analysis. Were you stepping out of your home? And if there's any reason associated with your partner? Discussing it openly can provide a solution. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, take care. And may your relationships flourish with love and understanding.